araw na ito maghanap kami ng gold ngayon. Yan, nakita nyo may water pump kami. Pinag-pump namin yung tubig dito dahil maraming gold dito eh. So ayan yung starring digger namin ngayon, si Bala Tundong from Waray Lite. Ito mga kasama natin. Ayan si Elmer from Dipulog City, from Libanon naman itong sa. Ayan. Maya makita natin yung gold dyan sa ilalim. Ayan, mayos pa ng ano, ng pump. Okay guys, finding gold. Then kabilang ano doon, exhibition. Okay guys,
Video?
yes,
Oh!
this is my companion.
Oh, you're talking with someone?
No, I'm talking on the video.
Oh!
That's okay.
Is it the pipe?
Yeah, he saw it. No fish? That's heavy, buddy. We have to dig all the way down.
You want to take the pipe anyway.
Yeah, we will gonna take it out the pipe. Just be careful with the wire. It might gonna hit by his bucket. Try natin na makuha yung pipe na yan, mga kaibigan, para pakbilan natin mamaya. So, sana kayo may mga dito tayo para kita sa mga kanina. That's still heavy, maybe. Okay guys, kaya dito lang muna. At hanapin natin yung gold. Update natin kayo kung may gold tayong maghahanap dyan. Bye bye.